Hi, I'm Scott Miller. Why join Zurvita with us? Here's the answer. Because we can help you become successful. Because we know exactly how to get people to pick up the phone and call you. That's why you should join our Zurvita team. We're going to teach you everything we've spent more than a year and tens of thousands of dollars to learn about marketing your business on the internet. As a matter of fact, join our Zurvita team and you can use this very video. See that number right there? That could be my number, could be somebody on our team. But you will get everything thousands of people have paid a lot of money for. People that have asked us to help them in all these other network marketing businesses. You're going to get all that for free if you join our Zurvita team. So why should you join us? Because we're going to make your phone ring. Why should you join us? Because you're going to be successful, because people will be attracted to you because you have the answer that they're looking for. Almost every home-based business person on the planet right now is looking to figure out right now how to market their business on the internet for free. For free. Zero. If you know what you're doing, marketing on the internet will blow your mind. And if you don't know what you're doing, you'll waste a lot of time, probably run out of patience, quit your home-based business, and spend a lot of money trying to figure out for people that really don't know how to build a home-based business from home, getting your phone to ring. If you join Zurvita, well, I'm not going to say you have to join with us. I'm going to say if you join Zurvita and you want to market your business on the internet, you will want to call this number right here. If you join Zurvita and you want to be successful from home marketing your business, call the number on your screen right now.